Welcome back, Nintendo fans, to a new NintenDIY. I am so excited for this project because it's been inspired by Link's Awakening coming out on the Nintendo Switch. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be getting this game. Of course, all materials are also in the description with the Amazon link. The only thing you can't get on Amazon is, of course, the printed out heart container, and I used the one from Wind Waker because I couldn't find, I guess, the exact one from Link's Awakening. The only difference is that the border is not silver, it is gold. So what you'll need is different types of cardstock, which of course I decided to go with a very shiny gold. However, all the cardstock has different patterns on it so that it makes it look really unique and different. So the ones that we're going to start off with is, of course, the gold first because we'll be cutting out the red later. So trace out that heart onto the back of your cardstock. You'll want to make several, so for me I made 9 in total. The cool thing about this project is that it's very personable. You don't have to make the hearts super big, and the sizes are totally up to you, as well as the cardstock and the style. If you did not want to use the heart container from Wind Waker or Link's Awakening, you can definitely use the ones from Breath of the Wild. Just be aware that the Breath of the Wild heart containers are very detailed and will take much longer to make. Once you trace out the exact amount of heart containers that you'll need, you'll have to cut out every single one, and this is the tedious part, so just be careful and have a lot of patience. Keep in mind, if you are too young for sharp scissors, definitely ask your mom or dad or even your older brother or sister to help you out with this part. If you happen to make any NintenDIY on my channel, please send me pictures on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I would love to feature any of you guys that happen to be crafters as well. I really love to see your guys' creativity, so don't forget to send me pictures once again on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Once you've cut out all the golden hearts, you'll need to now move on to your template and cut out the border that's attached to the red. It will allow for us to have the gold border show through after we cut and glue on the red hearts. If you happen to be using the Breath of the Wild hearts, which once again are super detailed, you'll definitely need an X-Acto for this part because it is so tedious and small. So if you happen to use any sharp objects such as an X-Acto and you're not of age, again, ask your older brother, sister, or even your parents to help you out with this part. You could even just print out a ton of heart containers. It is totally up to you, but the reason why I wanted to use different types of cardstock is to show you that you can use any type of pattern that would look really good in your home, and when anyone walks into your house, they won't notice that it's from The Legend of Zelda unless they're a huge fan. So repeat the process that we did with the gold hearts, and instead this time it'll be with the red hearts, and of course they're a bit smaller. And after you're done cutting out all the hearts that you'll need, grab the string and start gluing that to the back of the frame. Don't forget to glue the heart pieces together. I decided to use 2 different types, which was silver and gold, which you'll see at the end of this video. Let me know if you happen to make this tutorial or NintenDIY, and once again, let me know in the comments below if you'll be getting Link's Awakening. Planning out a NintenDIY is super beneficial. The more time you put into planning the project and making sure it's exactly what you want, the better it's going to turn out. This will look so gorgeous in your home. The coolest part, I think, is having this ability to customize it entirely, so you can change the color of the frame or the hearts or the string, even the clips. The clips I decided to stay with wood because I love that classic look, but again, this is totally up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this NintenDIY. Don't forget to check out all the links and materials down below in the description. If you happen to make any NintenDIY from my channel, don't forget to send me pictures on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. If you're interested in any of my NintenDIYs or custom amiibo, I do have a Patreon, patreon.com/MissGandaKris. I do appreciate and love every single one of you guys. Can't wait to play Link's Awakening with you on the Nintendo Switch, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we can have more adventures together and more NintenDIYs. See you next time, guys.